Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off show in ADA pins on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn off this mark on how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here on save, you would click, then it's going to take you to your profile or next window here, and you just go up, you will click here on app, and it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on social permissions. Then you come to next window here, and you just go down, then you come here to show in area pins, and you just click here on this mark here or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that means show in area pins it's turned off now. So that's all you have to turn off this mark on your Pinterest app. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.